Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 5 hours and 20 hours respectively. Both pipes together can fill the same tank in. Now, this is a very simple type of question from the topic of pipes and cisterns. We can assume the capacity of the tank as the LCM of the times given. Okay. So the times given are 5 and 20. So the LCM of 5 and 20 is nothing but 20. So we assume 20 liters is the capacity of the tank. Pipe A can fill it up in 5 hours. That means 20 upon 5. That is, A pipe can fill 4 liters per hour. And pipe B can fill up the tank in 20 upon 20 hours. So it will become 1 liter per hour. Now, when both the pipes are filling the tank together, that means basically we are filling 5 liters per hour. Now we want the time. So time, the general formula is W upon R. W is the capacity of the tank. We have assumed it to be 20. And the rate of both pipes together is 4 plus 1, 5. So 20 upon 5, we will get the answer as 4 hours. Also, if you think logically, you can eliminate option B and C directly because pipe A is filling the tank in 5 hours and pipe B is also an inlet. That means with the help of pipe B, obviously the together time should be less than 5. It cannot be greater than 5 like here 6 and 10. So we can eliminate those two options directly.